All right, we're good to go.
I was not able to look at this beforehand today.
Yeah, I didn't either. I didn't have any chance. We had so many projects at work that we're still trying to take care of.
I looked at it briefly about 15 minutes beforehand. All right, we ready to jump in?
Yeah,
I am, yeah.
So it looks like there's a little disclaimer up top that says, please remember to round to 3 decimal places unless otherwise specified.
Yeah.
So,
All right, so for number 3, it's going to be the first 2. That's under step 4, under section 3.1, I believe.
step 4. Simple. Yep, right there. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And then next one. I believe it's B, T-score.
Yeah, that's what I put as well.
Yeah, it's in that same section right there, section 4.
Yeah. I can't remember where exactly, but I remember seeing that. And then number 5. Number 5, I believe, is B.
That still doesn't make sense if they're independent. So,
Yeah.
another degrees of freedom problem.
Oh, man.
I know, that's what I was trying to look up before we got on with each other.
Okay. So it has you open up under 3.1.2. Has you open up an Excel spreadsheet that should give you the answers if you plug in the data.
The quantitative inferential procedure.
Yep, that's the one. So I believe we follow those steps to get the answers, I think.
Which one do we hit? Quantitative what?
It's quantitative inference.
Yep.
And we're going to do dentist office bills and plug them in.
Okay, this is promising. This is a nice sheet to have.
Seems like it's going to be very helpful.
like we're doing a paired sample t-test, right?
A what?
There's all these the tabs down at the bottom for the different sheets.
Yeah, we're doing a 2-sample t-test.
2 samples, okay.
Yep.
So we need the mean.
Yeah, we need to know. We got the mean for the Idaho Falls office, 260.059. 260.059. And at Rexburg, 288.597.
For Rexford, you got 288, okay. Started with the standard deviations.
So are we doing the same thing for Monday, right? Where we're subtracting the two and then coming up with a mean and standard deviation?
I don't think so. But we're in that Excel sheet, just filling in the variables.
Cool. So,
So if you add the columns into that other sheet, it does it all for you.
yep. So it says the degrees of freedom is 37.996. That's what I got.
Make sure. So for number 7, I got 637.
Let me get there. Rexburg standard deviation. 206.637.
Yeah, so what you got?
Yeah.
So once you guys filled out the table, where'd you guys transfer the information?
So
Go ahead, Nick.
you have to fill out the summary statistics part yourself. And then you also have to, in cell F11, you have to select less than. You see that?
Oh, where it says not equal to?
What was that?
The type of test needs to be less than?
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, once you do that, so we just did the mean of variable 1, mean of variable 2, standard deviations, and then I plugged in 20 for the N on each.
Yeah.
And then down at the bottom, it'll give you all the answers.
What did you put in? You put in for N?
20. The T-score is the test statistic, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I negative 0.434.
Yeah, that's what I've got. And then p-value is 0.223.
The p-value.
Yeah, 0.333, it looks like.
I got 0.667.
Huh. What do you... I wonder if we have all the same information. What do you have for standard deviations?
For standard deviations for Idle Falls, I have 208.876.
Uh-huh.
For Rexburg, I have 206.637.
Yep, that's what I got.
And the mean for Rexburg is 288.597. For Idle Falls, it was 260.059.
Yep. N is 20.
Yeah. Yeah, my T on the bottom says negative 0.3434.
Uh-huh.
Degrees of freedom says 37.996. P-value says 0.6665435.
Really, your p-value is doubled. I don't know why. That's really weird. Because we have all the same information.
Yeah.
Okay, so help me out, because for some reason I'm just drawing a blank. I'm not following where you guys are at. Are you guys using the dentist office spreadsheet? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, once you guys get your mean standard deviation sample size, where are you inserting this information?
Do you have the quantitative
In
inference?
figures? Yes,
You have that open?
correct.
So you copy and paste all the numbers in column 1, Idaho Falls, into variable 1.
Oh, I see. So we're not, okay. So I'm going to take those 20 samples and copy and paste them in.
Yep. Idaho Falls goes in variable 1, and Rexburg goes in variable 2.
All right, let me get rid of this. Come on, open it.
I wonder why yours is double than mine. You're on the 2-sample t-test, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 2 sample t-test. Did you select less than in F11?
I did, yes.
Yeah.
You did?
Oh, No, I did not.
That's why your p-value is double.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so it automatically fills all the information in for you?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Okay. So the degrees of freedom, that's where you guys got the 37.996?
Yeah. What a heck of a formula they have plugged in there to figure that out.
I know. Glad I didn't have to do it. So I believe 10 is reject, right?
I really need to go back and reread that, but I think it is.
Yeah, I'm still having a hard time with those as well. I think I get them backwards from what I think it's going to say.
I believe if it's greater than the level of significance, you reject. Reject. I just need to write that. Yeah, I'm getting confused.
The number 11, when we change it, the only thing that changes when you change the type of test to not equal to is the p-value increases.
Yeah, it goes to 0.667, I believe. Is sufficient.
So I don't know what that change of p-value is telling us. So
I don't really either. I would guess D, but we got this one wrong last time, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know what the effect of the p-value would be either on the overall, on what the end result would be.
So it seems like we can say that they are different, but I don't know if we have to word it that we have sufficient evidence that they're
Right.
different.
Yeah, I don't know, because I was thinking it might have been A, because it would alter it. Right now they are different, so.
We could try A. It's either A or D, I would assume.
they're completely different spectrums. One or the other.
Okay, now we got a freshman dinner.
Yeah.
And I think we just do the same thing, don't we?
That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm doing now. Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah, I think we use the same exact chart, just different numbers.
Well, we have different numbers. The counts are the same.
Yeah. And also, guys, be aware that they said to put Utah in column 2 and Colorado in column 1.
Oh,
Oh, I did not do that. Thank you.
Yeah, I just saw that. I don't know why. So variable 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So be sure to change n on them as well.
yeah.
It's like we have 10 and 12.
So are you guys also, as for like where it says summary on the inference? Are you guys looking at where it says like summary statistics? You have variable 1, 2, and it goes through the mean, standard deviation, and sample size. Are you guys entering? Are you guys entering those blue cells?
Yes, we are.
Because it automatically gives them to you a little bit lower where it says variable 1 and 2. It gives you the same numbers.
So if you leave your gosh, what's it called? Your formula in, or you can just plug in the numbers, and it'll do the mean and the standard deviation for you.
Right.
Yeah, I didn't set it up that way. I need to.
So for the mean, in variable 1, I got 15.2.
Okay.
Then in variable 2, I got 16.667.
Right.
So we leave it as
Standard
not.
deviation.
What's that? What were you saying?
I was just going to say in standard deviation for variable 1, I got 3.42. For variable 2, I got 4.512.
I have them switched.
Oh, did I go backwards?
So yeah, in the problem, it tells you to use.
Yep. Yep, you're right.
Yeah, so just switch those. And then we keep it as not equal to for the type of test.
Not equal to, okay.
I wonder if anywhere in that problem did it tell us what to use as the confidence level?
Yeah. Well, in the confidence level is going to be 95 because the level of significance is 0.05.
Oh, okay. So for 6 through,
And it's already part of the formula already that we plug.
So for 6 through 10, where are we supposed to change the confidence interval? Confidence level?
I didn't see any instruction to do that.
Well, I guess we'll find out, right?
Yeah. Oh, maybe because it's a 0.1, so that would mean it was a 90%.
Yeah, point.
And right now that the formula already set up is called for 95%.
Yeah. Maybe we can redo that. So for number 12, I have B.
Yep.
13 negative 0.845.
845, yep.
Yep.
14.411. P-value. Reject null hypothesis.
For p-value, you had 0.411.
Yeah.
I have a 0.205.
For p-value?
Yeah, that needs to double.
So do you have F11 as not equal to?
Yeah, I switched it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what'd you guys get for 12? Not equal to?
Yeah.
G.
Okay, so number 16. Determine the margin of error. 95% confidence.
So the margin of error formula that we were using last time, that was wrong.
Yeah. I'm having deja vu on these last three questions.
Yeah.
Well, it automatically gives, with the 95% confidence interval, the spreadsheet that we use where it automatically does calculations already has 95% plugged into it. So if you look at the confidence interval on the bottom right-hand corner, like where it gives the t-value and the degree of freedom, it says confidence level, interval to the far right. When it's asking for that, I think it's just taking those two numbers and finding the difference between them, how much space is between them. That's what I plugged in.
So you went 2.214 minus, or I guess,
Yeah, because I mean, even if you subtract the negative or make it a positive, it's going to come out to 7.362. That's the margin. It's going to go that much one way and that much the other way. So I think that's the whole margin.
you got 7.361.
I got 7.362.
Wouldn't it be half that?
that was my other guess.
I think it would be half that. So I think they're giving us negative 5.147 is the lower bound.
Right.
And then 2.214 is the upper bound.
So for
So-
3.61.
Yeah, that's what I would guess.
For what number?
For number 16.
What was your guys' number?
It would be I have 3.6, yeah, 3.681.
And what makes you think that it's half? Because it's
Because to get the upper bound and the lower bound, it would start right in between negative 5.147 and 2.214, and you'd either add the number or subtract the number. And you'd start right in the middle.
okay. So you're just saying half for number 16. The other two aren't half.
Yeah, no, the other two aren't.
So the other two are still negative 5.147.
Yeah, because the mean we're working with is negative 1.4667. Negative 1.4667. And if you add 3.681, you'll get the upper bound, which is 2.214. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and I was playing around with the numbers here with the confidence level in the blue cell, and I changed it from 95 to 90, and it didn't change the T-score, the difference of freedom, and then the p-value. So
Oh,
I
it
think
didn't?
it's fine. The only thing it changed was the confidence interval.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, I think we're okay on this original one.
All right. I'll submit tonight.
Okay.
Let's see what it was. Now we got 16 out of 19.
Not bad. Okay.
Not bad. We got 15 wrong, which that's easy because there's only two answers.
What did you guys originally choose? Reject or fail?
Reject.
Yeah, we did reject.
So we need to select fail to reject. Okay.
And then we got 11 wrong. So looks like 10 and 11, 10, 11, and 15 were wrong.
Okay. So let's go with D on 11.
Yeah, because that's what we were talking about before. Yeah.
I'll submit it now and see what we got.
Okay. Well, at least we got all the numerical ones correct.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened back on Monday then. Good grief.
It was Monday.
So 11 is not D either.
Okay. I'll try B then. I'll submit mine. It's B.
It's B? Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I have 100%.
Nice.
We have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different.
I don't get how that works, but whatever.
I don't either, but I've always struggled understanding what's insufficient and sufficient and reject and fail to reject. I've struggled to grasp onto those. But after Monday's abysmal score, I'll take 100 any day.
Yeah, seriously. I'm just right. So I'm good to go. I'll write down those answers. So was it 11? That was B?
Correct. Yep. 11. That was B.
Okay. All right, cool.
All right, guys. I'll talk to you on Monday then, huh?
Sounds
You
good.
got it. No problem.
So, Kelly, you'll submit the video?
Correct. I will submit this one. The URL, where does it show up again?
What's that?
Once I hit stop broadcasting, doesn't it automatically gives me the URL, doesn't it? I haven't done this since the very first night we did it.
There's a little in the bottom right hand corner. It says links,
Oh, I got you.
and then you should be able to click on that and see the YouTube link.
Got it. Awesome. All right, I will put that on the board tonight.
All right. See you guys Monday.
Awesome. Yep. You guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later.
You too. Bye.